What happens when a little rabbit gets caught in a wild storm and starts floating through the sky? Find out in this heartwarming adventure. The little rabbit floating in the middle of a heavy rainstorm. Dark clouds covered the sky, and thunder growled across the forest. Rain poured down in thick sheets, soaking everything below. Deep in the woods, a tiny white rabbit named Nibble was caught in the storm. He had been looking for berries when the skies suddenly turned angry. Cold, wet, and scared, Nibble huddled under a large leaf. But then, a strong gust of wind blew a big umbrella-shaped leaf from a tree. It landed right next to him. Nibble climbed on. To his surprise, the wind lifted the leaf like a boat in the air. Up he floated, drifting softly through the storm. Lightning flashed, and raindrops danced around him, but the leaf kept him safe. He floated over trees, rivers, and sleeping owls hiding in their nests. Through the stormy night, Nibble whispered, "I'm brave. I can do this." Finally, the wind calmed, and the leaf gently brought him down near his cozy burrow. His family rushed out and hugged him tight. From that day on, Nibble was known not just as a little rabbit, but as the bravest one in the whole forest. Loved Nibble's magical journey? We bring you daily animated tales full of wonder, adventure, and big life lessons, all through the eyes of lovable characters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pippotoonz for your daily dose of magic.